Wow.
Yeah.
Yay!
I finally.
This was one task. This was a bigger task than us asking for donations.
Yeah, really. So we
How are
both
you,
tried
Sandeep?
half an hour to join your account, but that couldn't happen. Yeah, we are doing now
क्या
here
क्या
now.
क्या what?
Huh? So we tried half an hour to join your live, but that didn't happen. So yeah, this is how.
Oh, that's okay. All of us are Vella only. Like, what are we doing any which ways? Nothing else. That's okay. So, how are you, Sandeep? How is Donate Card
I'm
doing? I know it's a
I'm
little
good.
bit difficult.
Yeah, good and we are doing great. Uh, yeah, so I think till now we raised close to 8 crore worth individual donations online for COVID especially. And for animals,
Great job, guys.
that's your
Great
favorite
job.
part. So we raised close to 8 crore. Yeah.
Which is awesome. What I really like about Donate Cart is that see you are an organization yourself, and you are also helping out so many NGOs by providing them the necessary items which they need. And also, I like the fact about Donate Cart is that you guys don't deal about the money. You are like, okay, what do you want to donate? What is the cause that you believe in? It is not necessary that everybody is an animal lover. Some people would want
Mhm.
to feed, some people would want to provide homeless children. Some people would want to feed the needy. Some would want to contribute. Everybody has their own cause that they believe in. So you guys made sure that whoever wants to provide or wants to donate, as per their cause, as per what their beliefs are in whichever cause. So you're giving them that platform. Okay, you want to provide school bag, you provide school bag. You want to provide dog food, you provide dog food. You want to provide shelter. You want to provide. The best part is when I saw even you had this option of providing bricks also. You're like, buy a brick for $10 each. I'm like, wow, this is nice. And also, it doesn't make you feel guilty in any which ways. You can donate for any amount. It does not have to be a huge number. And as I always say that, every penny matters. Rather than one person donating 10 lakh of rupees, if 10 lakh people, each one donates 1 rupee, it's like we all are sharing the burden.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I
You
really
spoke
like
earlier about donate card, and like let me introduce once again to everyone.
yeah, go
I
on.
think there are few followers who are from donate card handle as well, so yeah, may not be knowing you. So all of you, this is Rashmi. She is a television presenter in Telugu industry, and she acted in few movies, right? I believe, yeah. And she is an animal lover herself, and that's how we are connected, and that's how she is here for the life.
I was very, very rude to Donate Card. When Donate Card called me up about one of these promotional videos, they were like, can you please make a video for us? And that was the first phase of the lockdown. And they called up, and because a lot of people were calling up and, can you please make a video? We're trying to help and XYZ and all of it, which I absolutely respect. But at that given point of the first phase of the lockdown, the first lockdown, what had happened was everybody was panic buying. So even though we have the money, we could not at one go buy, like, say, 100 kilos of rice or 40 kilos of rice. Was not that easy in the first lockdown, because people were on this panic buying. And I was so upset, because every time we would go to the supermarket, we would get like 1 kilo of rice or something. So it was getting difficult to feed these trays in my gully. So when Donate Card called, I was so frustrated. I was so rude to Sandeep. I was like, you know what? You want me to make a video for you? Then you bloody well help me out first. You send me the food for my dogs, for the animals in this area. Only then will I make you a video and I will send. And oh my God, even though I was so rude to him, and but it still happened in like less than 2 days of time. They were so generous and they were so sweet, and they sent all this amount of food, and I was like, okay, wow. And then I was like, immediately, guys, I am committed to you now. So do not worry about it. I will be vocal about your cause and what you're doing, is because you have actually showed me that it happens. Because there's so many fake organizations out there. It has become like more or less like a business. It is becoming difficult for us to figure out what is genuine and what is not. every time even you put a post out, there will be 10 people niche who will be like, I am trying to figure out donations for my sister's cancer. Somebody is saying my mother's this, my mother's that. I mean, there has to be a right channel to know how to go about it, because the end of the day, it is everyone's hard earned money. People will think 100 times before donating it for a cause, because everybody wants to be like, okay, I hope my money goes for the right thing. So even when Sandeep called me up regarding one of these, he was like, can you please make a video? A lot of people from the industry have done it. I am like, first you send me the food, help me out. I want proof that you're doing genuine work. Only then will I make a video. And these guys were really, really helpful. And within, because first lockdown was extremely strict, I have to specify this, because it was very difficult to get the logistics moving and getting things from here to there, but they did it. So thank you so much, Donate Card, for it, and proving that yes, there are that the pessimistic people like me, you made me an optimistic under these circumstances. So thank you so much for bringing happiness into so many animals' life out here. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. No mention for that. And as you mentioned, this lockdown thing, initial lockdown, everyone was clueless. So we never know like how the rules are, and things are not clear about the police permissions to ship the products and all. I think
Yes.
that in that time we were also facing difficulty to procure items, and maybe our 3 years journey in this space could really help us leverage our vendor connects and all, and deliver the products at that point of time as well. And to be frank, it doesn't sound rude to me, because we always get such type of calls from people and NGO partners, because they are committed to the cause. They always want the work to be done, and it's kind of familiar for us. So it doesn't sound.
I
It
know,
shows
but
your
then yes, I
commitment to
know
the
I
cause.
was rude. I cannot deny the fact that I was rude at that given point, because I was very, very desperate. And even the minute the food arrived, I broke down. I was so emotional, because obviously you would step out and every time, see, because I could maximum take like a kilo of rice with whatever little I had at home, because the dog food supplies were stopped. There was no dog food supplies. There was no pedigree, nothing. So I would mix curd and rice or milk and rice or whatever, and I would just step out. And every time I would go out, there would be another 5 more new dogs. And
Yeah.
I would feel so helpless, because I'm like, oh God, I don't have food to give them. I was feeling so pressurized, and I was like, and as it is, there was so much going on. Everyone's future is so uncertain, even at this given point, with the third lockdown going on, even though a lot of things have fallen into place, but still there's a lot of uncertainties in everyone's life. People are losing jobs. People don't know what is next. Me belong to the entertainment industry. Even I don't know what is next. So with all these uncertainties and pressure, so I broke down. I went live and I thanked you guys, and I broke down that day. I was like, you know what, thank you so much, thank you so much, because I was so desperate. I was like, and that's when it reminded me that yes, when you actually believe in something, the entire universe comes together to help you, and it actually happened that day. So thank you so much once again.
Yeah, so I think that life clearly shows your commitment to the cause as well. You are so emotional about the situation of strays, especially. And I just wanted to know from you, how are things post that live? I think many volunteers joined you, and
Yes.
also things have scaled up, right? So maybe through the live you might have got not many volunteers in Vizag and also parts of the world, parts of the country actually. So can you tell like
See, so there were already quite few volunteers. Okay, there were quite a few volunteers. काफी सारे volunteers already ready थे. So as soon as the food arrived, all I had to do was just send them the packets, and they were on the job. But not to see, again, I can only cover so much area. I can only send food to so many people. So then, that emotional video of mine, the help that came from your end, when I posted about it on my Instagram, on my social media profiles, it really made an impact. And also the fact, when people saw me going out and feeding the animals, it did make a lot of difference. So I started this thing. I was like, please go out, feed the animals, take pictures, tag me. I would really, really want to see what you guys, it would be like, it's like a chain reaction. Now it can also be just for pictures people might be feeding, but one satisfaction that I get is, at least even for, maybe even for a picture, but one person has fed a dog that particular day, and that particular animal has not gone hungry that one day. And I know for a fact that once you feed an animal, you form a bond with them. You do form a bond, and you will go back to check on them no matter what. That is something which just happens very naturally. It's a very organic thing. I become desperate, I'm like, no, my babies must be hungry. I have to go. So, even after this lockdown, I am planning, I was discussing it with my family and my mom and everybody, that I don't want these animals to go hungry anymore. I mean, I was like, no, even after this lockdown is over, we have to make sure that we feed them at least once a day, no matter what. So I was like talking to my mom that, even once I go back to my work and all, we have to figure out, I take my mother sometimes with me and I tell her, these are my pups, these are my dogs, we have to feed them even after the lockdown. So we're coming up with that kind of a plan. But then, yes, it started a movement. People got fired up about it. But even now, there's a lot of confusion, and I keep telling people again and again that you don't have to go very far away from your house to feed the animals. That is not required. You can leave food right in front of your house, right outside your gate. You can leave the food and water. Animals have very, very great instinct of smell, and they have very strong survival instincts. They will come searching for the food. We don't have to go to them every time, because under the present lockdown, the situation is very strict. We don't want trouble. Some people are doing really good, genuine work, and because of one person's mistake, everybody should not fall into problem. So इसीलिए मैं बार बार कहती रहती हूँ लोगों से कि आप ज्यादा दूर मत जाइए. अपने घर के सामने, अपने घर के गेट के सामने, चाहे 10 कुत्तों के लिए खाना, कुत्ते हो, गाय हो, बर्ड्स हो, जो भी हो, बस अपने घर के सामने खाना और पानी रख दीजिए. वो खुद ब खुद ढूंढते ढूंढते आ जाएंगे. आप ज्यादा दूर मत जाइए. Because a lot many people are misusing this. They carry like some bread or something and they say कि हम लोग खाना खिलाने जा रहे हैं. They're misusing this also, because we are great at finding loopholes and everything. Swiggy चल रहा है तो Swiggy का t-shirt पहन के हम भी घूमेंगे. So we are very good at all those, we are very good at finding loopholes and everything. But then a greater cause gets affected. So I always request each and everyone that please don't do anything wrong, especially all the feeders out there who are doing a great job by feeding animals. I know आपके intentions बहुत ही सही हैं, आपके intentions बहुत ही genuine है, लेकिन आपकी एक गलती की वजह से या आपकी एक mistake की वजह से सबको problem हो सकती है. So you need to be extra careful. ज्यादा दूर मत जाइए. हर कोई अगर अपने गली का टेक केयर कर लेना, वो काफी है. बिकॉज ये जो भी सोशल कॉज होता है वो सबका होता है. एक इंसान पूरा बर्डन नहीं ले सकता है. तो आप जो भी कर रहे हो अपने तरीके से, सही तरीके से कीजिए ताकि ये पूरा प्रोग्राम इफेक्ट ना हो. बहुत सारे एनजीओ है, बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपना हैदराबाद, तेलंगाना, जो आंध्रा का और तेलंगाना का एरिया है, यहाँ पे द feeding times are like from morning 6 to morning 8, like 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. So I keep repeating because a lot of people keep questioning me and asking me that police are harassing us, police is not allowing us, what are the special permissions, this and that and all of it. I'm like, see, if you're an individual who's trying to feed, you cannot get police permissions. It is not, police will give permission to NGOs or these organizations who are doing mass feeding. As an individual who's feeding about 30 or 20, 30 dogs, it is not possible to get permissions. So what you can do is go in this feeding timings specifically. इस time पे आप जाइए. And I keep repeating myself, don't go very far. Don't go very far. The way for essentials, you are allowed only 3 kilometers radius. Similarly, it applies for this also. Please stick to your own lanes. अपने गली के जानवरों को आप संभाल लीजिए. That is great. काफी है. हर कोई अपने गली के जानवर को अगर संभाल लेगा तो सारी की सारी प्रॉब्लम फिनिश हो जाएगी. एंड इनको मतलब कोई ग्रैंड खाना नहीं चाहिए, तंदूरी चिकन या पनीर बटर मसाला नहीं चाहिए. They need very basic खाना, just rice and milk, rice and curd If you have pedigree, well and good. Even if you don't have, chapati is also good, you know. So very basic खाना, 1 meal a day. हम लोगों को 3 meal और 2 snack चाहिए पूरा 24 घंटा कवर करने के लिए. इनको सिर्फ एक वक्त का खाना काफी है, चाहे कुत्ते हो, गाय हो, birds हो, बिल्ली हो. There is no speciesism here, you know. When I say we are animal lovers, we are animal lovers across all species. No, you know, like across, just not dogs, just not cows, just not cats. It's not like that. There's no speciesism here. We love all animals. We need to take care of all the voiceless. We being a superior species, we have to make sure that the planet and the voiceless are taken care of. So I repeat myself again and again. Mask पहनिए, gloves पहनिए, अपने गली का टेक केयर कीजिए. The least you can do is अपने घर के बाहर, just right outside your house, leave the food and water. Animals have great survival instincts. When they're hungry, they'll come finding the food. That's it. Don't go very far. Don't go against the government guidelines. Don't create trouble, panic, nothing. Let's keep it as smooth as possible so that our animals don't go hungry. That's all.
Yeah. It's a really nice idea. We all can follow. It's all we need to do is have some cooked food in front of our house. And
Yeah.
So we need to be very cautious. We shouldn't hurt ourselves going out. Like maybe we should be
Yes.
precautious doing all this.
Yes.
Things.
Yes.
Very nice idea, and we all should follow that. And yeah, I just wanted to ask you, so this is a biggest crisis that our generation is seeing, or maybe in the
Yes.
last century it is the biggest crisis, right? So everyone
Yes.
was supporting daily wage laborers and slum dwellers, and also who cannot like afford to buy their meals at this crisis time. So what made you
Yeah.
to pick it up, this animal segment as such? You yourself is an animal lover, that we know, but apart from that, what made you to go with that?
See, it was just not about animals. It was also about a lot of needy people also. So what I started was, even before Donate Card got in touch with me, even before that, when I was obviously seeing so many posts and everything, I requested the gated community that I lived in. So all the gated communities have these groups, right, on WhatsApp, where they discuss about issues, problems, and whatever. So over there, I put out a message saying that, can everybody please contribute 1 or 2 chapati each. I actually asked for only 1 chapati. I said, please contribute 1 chapati after dinner in the night, and leave it at the watchman's area outside at the entrance gate. I will go and pick it up in the morning, and I will go on a drive, and whoever needs the food, I will give it to him. The only problem is it's a very good question that you have asked me, because a lot many people keep asking me that మీరు only animals కి food ఎందుకు పెడుతున్నారు, needy వాళ్ళకి పెట్టట్లేదా? వాళ్ళకి కూడా పెడుతున్నామండి, but we also have to be cautious about their self-respect. I cannot take a picture of a human being who is probably asking me, he's for all you know, he's not even a beggar. You know, he's still somebody who is in crisis. You know, we have not seen a pandemic like this before, and hopefully even the generations to come should not see something like this. Something like, we would never wish a time like this on anyone. So probably there's somebody who's just in crisis. So I am not going to take a picture of a helpless man or a woman who is just hungry or probably is in absolute crisis. I am not going to photo leke main nahi dalne wali. So people take that as you are not helping the hungry people, you are only taking care of the dogs. That is not the case. So even before Donate Card got in touch with me, even before that, when I used to go on these feeding drives in the morning, and that's the reason I specifically used to ask for chapati, because chapati is something which does not spoil easily. Considering summers, when rice gets bad very fast, it goes stale very fast. Jaldi kharab ho jata. I used to request them for chapatis. And I can't put pressure on everybody. How many chapatis can my mother also cook? Everybody is out of help. There are no maids coming at home. So I requested them कि भैया रात को आप डिनर के बाद एक एक चपाती अगर हर कोई स्पेयर कर दोगे तो सुबह I can just go for a drive. Whoever is in need of food, I can just hand it over to them. And chapati is easy. I don't even have to get down. I just roll the window down, ask कि भैया भूख लगा है चपाती चाहिए. They say yes. I just give it to them across the window. So I was doing this even before. But then of course, animals do have a little extra special place, obviously. Very simple reason. A human being can ask कि भैया भूख लग रही है, थोड़ा खाना दे दो. A human being can come to someone's doorstep, and none of us are bad people. A human being can come and ring someone's bell and say ki, I am hungry, can you spare me some dal rice or whatever, can you spare me some food? Animals can't do that.
Yeah.
Okay. And if there is a community kitchen also, like a langar or something where people are distributing food, when human beings come, people give it to them. But when a dog or a cat or a cow comes, they do shift, shift, hada, hada, shh, shh, right? So there
Yeah.
is a difference. They depend on us. Animals depend on us. Fortunately or unfortunately, they depend on us. They cannot express. They are not considered like, clean things which can just enter any area and ask for food. It is a very simple thing. Even if there is a community kitchen where people are distributing foods, इंसान आके खाना मांगता है हम दे देंगे, but वही अगर एक कुत्ता या बिल्ली या गाय आ जाए, हट 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 हट, shoo shoo shoo, like we just, we just shoo them away. So
Yeah.
where will they go? So somebody has to fend for them, na? Now the government is talking about isko khana do, usko khana do, which is great. But somebody has to fight for these voices also. And I also
Yeah.
have a dog at home. So I understand what they go through, how they feel. So
Yeah.
every animal lover can connect to this. That is the reason I picked up this call. It's as simple as that.
Great. Great. So we just wanted to understand with how many babies you started with. I'll call it babies, not dogs. So how many
Yeah.
babies you started with, and now how many you are feeding in a day, and how that goes, like in the morning or in the evening, and how many in number. If you can
See,
explain.
personally, in the beginning, I started feeding about 10 to 15 of them, 10 to 15, and now it has gone up to 70 to 75. Sometimes it even goes to 100 because every time you go, you have some new dogs. You're like, oh, this guy was not there yesterday. So the person, yeah, 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 naya aaya hai, naya aaya hai. So because they are hungry, so they get to know, right? When they see the scraps towards the end, they know कि अच्छा यहाँ खाना मिलता है, so they come. So yeah, now it is anywhere between 75 to 100.
It's 2 times a day, right? You're feeding 2 times a day or one time?
Yes, yes, 2 times a day. Morning is a little far away places because the feeding time is from morning 6 to 8. So that is far away places. Evenings is the nearby surroundings, which I don't
Okay.
have to like take permission or anything. It's only my where I stay, that area I cover in the evenings.
Okay. So maybe you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it's fine. Yeah, tell me.
So all the followers who are here. So once again, I'm introducing Rashmi. So she is a television presenter, well known in Telugu industry, and she's an animal lover herself. And she's feeding 75 dogs every day, and we are connected in that way. And we have sent some material to her. And yeah, so we're discussing on how our programs are going on, the feeding activities and all. Yeah, maybe anything else from your side you want to share?
Yeah, that's what. As I was saying even before, that everybody needs to be very cautious about all the feeders. I'm requesting again, again to all the feeders to be very cautious about the program because एक इंसान की गलती की वजह से everybody can get affected. So be very cautious about maintaining the timings, the hygiene. By making sure that the people in the surroundings are not getting affected because you do come across these bullies who are anti animal feeding. They are like, don't feed animals, what is the requirement? If you're feeding them, clean their shit also. It is very very weird sometimes. It is very weird sometimes when you come across such people who don't understand the concept of coexist. Animals, the voiceless, are also here for a reason. Even an earthworm does its own bit. So every living species on this planet has the right to live. But yes, you will find people who will oppose you, who will tell you not to do. So don't get into fights. Don't fight with them. Don't engage in any kind of quarrel. Not worth it. Not worth it. They are in their own frustration of some kind. They have their own problems that they are dealing with. Try to avoid confrontation. Try not engaging in any kind of quarrel. Quietly go. Find a spot which you think will not affect them. Find a clean place to leave food over there, and wear mask, wear gloves. It is very very important. If you will be safe, अगर आप safe हो, अगर आप healthy हो, तभी आप अपना ये काम आगे कर सकोगे, अपने ये वैल्यूज पास ऑन कर सकोगे. सो यस, प्लीज गिव इम्पोर्टेंस टू योर हेल्थ ऑल्सो. मेक श्योर दैट यू कम बैक होम एंड shower immediately. Take all, follow all the guidelines. Sanitize, wash your hands, wash your hands. Maintain personal hygiene. That is the utmost priority. If you are healthy, if you are fine, only then will your babies be fine. You fall sick, you can't go feed, then they'll go hungry. So take care of yourself. It is very, very, very important.
Cool, cool. So
And also,
maybe yeah, go
yeah,
on, go on.
Sandeep, I wanted to ask you is that being an organization, even you guys provide and help all the other NGOs, right?
Yeah.
So what are the NGOs like you help out, like the prominent ones?
You're asking about bigger names?
Yes, I mean the prominent ones, and how we can help. How, there are about some 331 people, and many people, even from my platform, who follow you, who follow Donate Card. So how is it that we can help you?
Cool, cool. So maybe I'll once introduce Donate Card to everyone. Maybe few might not be knowing it. So we are an online donation platform where NGOs can put up the requirement they have in terms of products, and people can actually browse the requirement on real-time basis and add the products to cart and pay for it online. As simple as you shop on Flipkart or Amazon, where on Flipkart and Amazon you buy for yourself, on Donate Card you actually buy for the NGO that requires those products. And we make sure that products get delivered to the NGO, and we update you once the products get delivered and used by the beneficiary. So that's what we do, and we have operational from almost last 3 years. We work with around 800 NGOs in India, and help them raise around 8 crore worth, 14 crore worth of donations cumulatively. Yeah, so for COVID itself, we raised around 8 crore worth donations in last 1 month. We have been working with multiple NGOs across sectors for COVID. If you see, there are many communities which got affected. One is daily wage workers, and also if you see a transgender community, so even
Yes.
then they got affected. Fishermen community who got affected. So we are trying to focus on community wise as well. So there are campaigns for fishermen community, for transgender, for doing a campaign. Also for frontline workers.
Yeah, so this is this because since I have been talking about Donate Card, so there have been a lot of misconception about Donate Card. People think that okay, it is only about animals. No, Donate Card is not just about animals. Whatever is the cause, आप जिस भी cause में believe कर रहे हो, Donate Card will give you the platform to help those people directly. Tension नहीं लेना है कि ठीक है आप 10 रुपए का डोनेशन दे रहे हो या फिर 10,000 का डोनेशन दे रहे हो क्या 10 लाख का डोनेशन दे रहे हो. आप सामान दे रहे हो, आप डायरेक्टली सामान दे रहे हो डोनेट कार्ड को ताकि वो आपके कॉज को वो चीज पहुंचा सके. ये सिर्फ कुत्तों का खाना नहीं या फिर गाय का चारा नहीं या फिर सिर्फ एनिमल्स तक रेस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं है. डोनेट कार्ड इज हेल्पिंग आउट people from different communities, could be from transgender community, fishermen, needy children, migrant laborers. Tell me, what else?
So for COVID, especially these communities, but
Yeah.
as such, Donate Card, we work with various sectors. Elderly is one,
Yes,
children,
elderly.
education, animals, and disaster relief is what we generally do.
Yes,
During
so
this corona thing, it comes.
Donate Card's existence is not just a, the inception has happened way before COVID-19 has happened. You guys have been active since a very long time because I have been following you. I have been
Yeah,
following you since the time I saw your video about you guys opening a free range shelter for all the stray dogs where they will not be kept chained up or anything. And a huge thing that you're, because I remember donating bricks for your cause and
yeah.
not just, so, so
That
that is
about
something.
animal welfare shelter you're talking about. Maybe that was the
Yes,
biggest project we
yes,
did for Mumbai now.
Mumbai. And this
So
is, I think, 2 years ago.
yeah, 2 years ago. 2 years ago. So we
So I have been
started.
following you since then. I've
Yeah,
been following you since then.
okay, cool, cool. So we started Donate Card in year 2016, and the very idea of Donate Card came through a calamity. I can say, like while we were working with people in Chennai floods, then we got to we have seen that people required some XYZ items, and people are everyone is donating rice, dal, and other stuff. But people
Yeah.
need tarpaulins, people need other items, mosquito nets, and things like that.
Sandeep, I've lost
We
you.
created a platform. Back then, back then me and my co-founder, we both were in college, and we thought like we should create a platform for the people who want to donate during calamities. And initially
Yes.
we thought we'd do only for calamities, because we have seen that problem in Chennai floods. We get much lesser price with our vendors.
And
So
you know why I
that's the
asked you
difference.
this, Sandeep? Why I asked you this is because when you said, "Now, if you cannot donate, at least ask others to donate." So
Yeah.
my point here being, when two boys can put their actual life, their real professional life on hold, and they can make sure that so many people are getting helped through one single platform, because you guys are humongous now. You're all over the country. Everybody knows Donate Card. So when two boys can do this, today you're an organization that is taking care of so many lives. You're an organization today which is helping so many people when in calamity under these kind of pandemic situation. You're also paying salaries, because a lot of people think, oh, NGO matlab free ka kaam karna hai. So half the people run away is because they're like, कि सिर्फ time देना पड़ेगा, because a lot of NGOs, a lot of time when you do social service, you can't even expect your petrol का पैसा, because I have seen that. I have asked a couple of volunteers to go and rescue animals, and I've personally paid them from my pocket for their petrol and this and that, because obviously you don't want to give them that kind of burden. So that's what I was saying. If two boys can put their actual life on hold, I mean, you guys could have gone, partied, have fun, done world tours, and joined some job where you would get paid like 1.5 lakh a month, and you guys could have chilled. So when you guys can do that, the least that we can do is make small amount of donations so that you sustain, people who work under you sustain, and through you many causes get served. So that is something very very small which we can do from our end. So you should never ever shy away from saying that if you cannot donate, ask somebody else to donate. No, 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 you donate and also ask others to donate, because you guys are not asking humongous amount. You're just saying pay like 100 rupees for a brick, 50 rupees for a packet of salt. This is the medical kit, this is dog kit, this is food kit. You guys are asking very very basic and very very minimal, and you guys are doing a fabulous job. So the least we can do is help you by donating you on monthly basis for small things. I figured out just yesterday my brother has donated 5 kits on your thing. I'm like, oh, you did that? He's like, yeah, I donated. So it's a very small thing, but you guys are doing a humongous thing, and kudos to you guys for this, and keep doing the great job. You need to grow, bounds and leaps, and you should become international sooner or later. Yes.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Definitely, we are aiming to expand all over the world. Maybe soon we'll do that. Yeah, so we have options like people can donate 5 rupees pencil, 5 rupees biscuit as well. There are such smaller options as well. So we're kind of democratizing
Exactly.
this thing. People from various spectrums of the community can
आप
come and
लोगों
donate.
का जो वो सेंचुरी प्रोजेक्ट था, the brick is in my mind even now, because I was like, wow, they want us to donate bricks. So I was like, okay, so there is something which is really really, there's a lot of strategy which is gone into it. आप मतलब ये बहुत ही छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. अगर आप दोनों जो लोग बस कॉलेज से निकले हो, अभी आप लोगों ने अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को, अगर आप चाहते तो आप जाते बाहर पार्टी करते, ऐश करते, वर्ल्ड टूर करते, अच्छा खासा कोई मतलब आईटी वाईटी का जॉब ले लेते विथ योर ब्रेन्स. आई मीन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ, यू कुड हैव यूज्ड दिस फॉर योर ओन पर्सनल यूज, बट आपने वो नहीं किया. यू डिसाइडेड टू गो ऑन द ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड्स एंड यू वेंट एंड यू आर राइट नाउ वर्किंग फॉर अ बिगर कॉज. तो हम अपने तरफ से ये छोटी छोटी चीजों कर ही सकते हैं. 50 रुपए की ईंट, 5 रुपए का पेंसिल, 20 रुपए का नमक पैकेट, 1 किलो चावल, अपने अपने हैसियत के हिसाब से हम ये छोटे छोटे डोनेशन तो हम कर ही सकते हैं. आप ये तो नहीं बोल रहे हो कि आप 5,000 दो, 5 लाख दो. छोटे छोटे, ये तो हम हर महीने में हम लोग ऐसे ही दुकानों में चेन छोड़ के आ जाते हैं. दुकान वाले मतलब 5 रुपए नहीं तो चॉकलेट हाथ में पकड़ा देते हैं। तो ये तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, वेरी स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स, पता भी नहीं चलता। हम तो ऐसे मतलब कार में ऐसे डैशबोर्ड में चेंज छोड़ देते हैं, दुकानों से मांगते भी नहीं है हम लोग कि अच्छा ठीक है रख लो। तो इससे अपने हैसियत के हिसाब से, अपने इनकम के हिसाब से 5-5, 10-10 रुपया तो हर कोई अफोर्ड कर ही सकता है।
Yeah,
सो
yeah.
आपको कभी इस चीज से आपने मतलब आपको शायद आपको कोई शर्म वाली बात ही नहीं इसमें कि आप बोलो कि आप भी डोनेट करो, अपने दोस्तों को ही बोलो डोनेट करने के लिए, ये तो हक से आप मांग सकते हो।
Yeah, cool. So we have various options, as I told, like people can contribute 5 rupees. To we have donors who contributed 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs on our online platform, just browsing about us and coming forward and donating. So having seen
Yeah.
all the campaigns we are doing, so we are kind of democratizing this thing where everyone can actually be the part of the campaign. So
Yes.
yeah, I think we'll take
So
few
Sandeep,
questions
anything
from.
else you want to ask me?
Maybe we'll take few questions from the audience.
Yeah, if there are any smart ones coming, other than my
You
personal
are good
life,
with
my
this.
love life, and my marital status, my relationship status, वो सब छोड़ के और क्या है?
You are good with handling these questions. I think it's about you.
Okay, so you pick a question. Go on.